sweet.
How long did you put it on for?
Huh?
How long did you put it on for?
Enough to get the... Say quiet, Al. Say Grandpa. There he is. Sit right there. There's your grandpapa.
Joe.
Is he trying to take his socks off? Mmm, is that good? Are you farting there when you're lifting that cheek or what?
I'm looking at the camera.
Oh, I thought you were farting. Huh? Little girl. She's screaming like a little girl.
How? Put your clothes in your eyes, boy.
Oh, help me, Jesus.
What are you smashing that hot dog?
Hey, put it in your mouth. What are you doing, silly boy? What are you doing? Yep. Up. Up. He's fine. He ain't really hurting. He's fine.
Oh, I can tell it. Now. You knucklehead. Cut that out. Cut that out.
Ew.
Grandma taught you a bad day.
I didn't teach it. He just conveniently picked it up. He taught himself, huh? George are gonna have potatoes. As soon as they get done. Oh, yeah. Tea will taste better than them.
You have peas in your eyebrow.
What? Okay, what? Hot
On your
dog?
eyebrow. You have peas in your eyebrow. Your other eyebrow.
You knucklehead.
They come close again. Better get his damn teeth in.
Now what'd you do?
No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No. What? Where's Gramps? Where'd Gramps go? You scared him away? Did you scare your Grampy away?
What are you doing?
silly boy. You silly boy. You sleepy? So sleepy. So I know the camera's on and I'm making faces. Who made that kind of noise now? Who made that kind of noises? Oh my goodness.
What?
Eat your food. Hey. Hey. Do you want me to call your mama? Hey. Hey. Ah. You want me to call mama? I'll say mama. 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 You gotta be good or nobody's gonna take you outside. And you won't be able to run around and scream and yell outside. Buzzard looking potato. Oh, no wonder. It's a buzzard looking potato for a reason. It's a bad tater.
No, don't lick his hand.
What did you do? What did he do? What did he do?
What? He's sticking his hand in Ellie's mouth.
Oh.
What was that? You're being silly.
Oh, that's good. Huh? That's for your toothers. For your toothers. Yeah. No, you can't have it. No. What happened? What happened? Here. Fall out. Chew it up, little bud. Chew it up. Okay, we gotta wait for it to get done. You want the straw for him?
Sure. I don't think she's gonna sit.
Stop it. Stop it.
Just take it off.
Okay, come on. Now you're gonna sit right there for a minute till Grammy wipes you down. No, you're not playing with the food. With your shoes. Come here.
Just
Come here. You come back, you eat again. When Grammy and Auntie eats, then you come and eat some more. Look what you did to your Munko. You made a big enough mess. Got hot dogs up in here and little hot dog square pieces. Jesus Christ. Get them any smaller.